What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Catamize coming back at you. Got these OLYMPIC VIIs. Just need a little repaint on them. A little fix right here on the toe box, as you can see. Nothing major. Go ahead, get that knocked out, and a little repaint, like I said, as you can see. Nothing major. Again, OLYMPIC VIIs. Just need a toe box fix, as you can see. So go ahead and get that done, and I'll be back once I complete the process. Complete, back at it. OLYMPIC VIIs. That's the front part that I fixed. Go ahead and flip these so you can see the toe box and the little part in the back that I fixed. Little nice, easy little restore. Was brought to me because the toe box was messed up, which was right here. And I went ahead on and fixed that and repainted that. Came out pretty good. And because this side part was discolored, messed up also, came out pretty good. But yeah, that's it. OLYMPIC VIIs fixed. Sevens happen to be my favorite, so I love working on them. I think I say this every time I get a pair of sevens. But like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think. Follow me on Instagram at SEDUCTIVESOLES. Peace.